Things World 2016. It is my pleasure to be here with Jörg Diederichs from Huawei. How is Huawei involved in IoT in general and in what projects in particular?
Well, we are one of the global leaders for ICT. So we're coming from the side of the telecommunications environment. So we are the ones who are constructing and building and delivering the big networks for the world mobile network companies and fixed network companies. And as such, we are very deep in communications. And if you look into digitalizations of processes of manufacturing, it's all about communication. So we're playing a big part of getting data from sensors, getting them to networks and platforms, and we're in the middle of that to secure that transformation.
Your keynote presentation this morning will focus on leading new ICT enables digital transformation. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, so there's a segment I will focus on is about the revolution of things. Those small things that are getting now connected for, let's say, predictive maintenance, for monitoring, remote monitoring, very important topic, for transport things, to track things where they are. That all needs to be communicated and distributed through secure platforms worldwide. And we are part of that to show our expertise.
And how can companies develop and implement the right IoT strategy to generate new revenue streams?
Yeah, it's very important to start from the bottom. The bottom is always to identify your measurement points, what you want to track. For example, if you are an elevator company, you are selling a box for years, and now you're transforming your business into a service. You're selling not an elevator, you're selling lifting. Yeah? And if you sell lifting, you have to think about how to service your product, and therefore need new ideas how to monitor your system in the field.
What aspects of this strategy prove to be most challenging for organizations?
The most challenging is that, especially with digitalization, all branches of the industry are coming closer together. This will be a joint play, not a single play between partners. So we need groups to cooperate. So the financial systems are coming closer to manufacturing, to production and to operations of wind farms, to know about the status of the machines, to predict failures, to predict what is an assurance event, and therefore the digitalization brings all together. That's the biggest challenge, and to be open for that.
So what do you think, to which extent will IoT reshape business models?
Oh, it will dramatically reshape the business models, because in former times it was just impossible to get data from the small things. Today we're talking about small tags at clothes, inside shoes, inside packets from the carriage, transport companies, and now all the things gets connected, and that is increasing a lot of data around the world, and need to be analyzed, need to be predicted, and need to be work as new business models.
And what types of IoT applications is Huawei involved or planning to get involved in? So
we have started in the very beginning in the area of automotive, like fleet management, because our cars get connected by sensors, either by factory or in the aftermarkets, and moved then into smart home. You see that there are a lot of elements coming to your home to be connected to single platforms and open platforms, and from there we moved to into smart metering, which is a very important topic, and since a couple of time we are pretty engaged with the industry of things, as even in manufacturing processes you are a relevant partner to connect the small things in machines and predict the behaviors.
Very exciting. It's the second day of the Industry of Things World. What do you think of the event format so far?
I think it's a very open format, so it invites people to really meet and discuss offline and inline good information, good projects, and very open, nothing to hide, because it's an open world, it's digital. And for us it's the first time that we are here, and so we have a great expertise and a great feeling around that one. Looking forward to meet a lot of industry partners and even create partnerships. For us, the ecosystem is important, and here we see a lot of them to work with us together to define joint solutions.
Thank you very much for answering our questions.
You're welcome.
Hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Thanks very much.